Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and this is the second holiday food pantry haul I'm bringing to you. I got some really cool things for Christmas dinner. Let me show you what I got, and let me show you how you can do some traditional and kind of not traditional things for your Christmas dinner, but it's gonna be good, and I got a lot. So let's take a look. All right, we are starting from the left all the way to the right. And it is a bright and sunny, snowy, cold day, but I'm going to try to do what I can, the best I can, with the lighting. All right, let's start right here. We've got some fruit snacks, naturally flavored, so they say. And we've got some, low sodium spinach. I love this. Absolutely love this. Then we've got cute little snowman peeking out. Then we've got some cut green beans, 2 cans of those. We've got some whole kernel corn. Oh, you can make, of course, regular corn, but you could do corn pudding because you'll see in a minute. And with this, you can make a green bean casserole or spinach souffle. You ever had, cream spinach for Christmas? Garlic cream spinach? Ooh. Then we've got 4 cans of low sodium asparagus. That will work. I love asparagus. Then we've got some cream corn, 2 cans of that. Now this you can combine with the regular corn and make your corn pudding. Or you can also make a very tasty, savory cornbread. Yes, you can. Just add this to your cornbread mixture with some onion tails or jalapenos or both. Yes, ma'am. Then we've got some cranberry sauce, the jelly kind, my favorite. We've got some diced, no salt added tomatoes. And we've got some tomato sauce. Let me get that right. And then down here we've got some spaghetti to go with that to make a complete spaghetti meal. Just add you some meat to it. Then going back a little bit, we've got some tikka masala rice. I bet this is good. Then we've got some regular white rice here, which I'll show you how to make a real good dish tonight from the food pantry. We're going to have a food pantry recipe with this food pantry run. But this white rice and something I have down there is going to make a wonderful meal. Then we've got some raisins. Then sliding back up here, we've got 2 cans of tomato soup. Yes, yes, yes. I'm trying to not put it in the light. Then we've got a cake mix right here. Devil's food, chocolate. Then we've got 2 cans. Pears. Ooh, that's nice. I don't know why just a single cookie. Yeah, that'll be good. I'm trying to get the best of the light. Oh, there we go. Oh, we got some oatmeal. You can make oatmeal cookies. Then let's jump over here. I got some very, very ripe bananas. I'm going to show you what you do with these. Finally, I can do it because somebody will finally not eat the bananas. They knew what I'm talking to. Then we've got, look at these little tomatoes they had left over. I'm going to use these for a salad tonight. These will be so cute. Then we've got a bag of onions. Then get ready for this, nieces and nephews. We got, ta-da, 6 boxes of fresh basil, which I will dry out tonight. And I'm going to show you that video too, okay? I got so much filming to do. Ooh. Then we got a butternut squash. This makes great soup. You can combine this with your pumpkin puree and make a wonderful soup. Then we've got some dried cherries. And frozen blueberries. You can make a pie. You can make some drinks. I like to make holiday drinks with this. Yep, I make a drink called the purple Christmas. I also add some greenery to this and make it the Grinch. Then we got, look at this, cheddar links. This is the first time I've got some of these. That's so cool. Then they gave us 2 boxes of stovetop stuffing. So yeah, you can make your stuffing. How about that? Then of course we got that old standby macaroni and cheese. We got 3 boxes of that, 2 boxes of the stuffing. That's enough to feed a nice sized family, because you can always stretch this with extra bread, crackers, and then add some onions and celery to this to spread it out even more. And you add your chicken broth, non-sodium, and this will go far. You can make a whole pan of macaroni and cheese with that. Then let's jump over here. We've got some chicken legs. Now that's going to be our recipe for tonight. We're going to do chicken and rice in gravy. Oh yeah, you got to tune into that video after this one. Then we've got catfish fillets. Wouldn't it be nice to do some catfish fillets for Christmas? Yeah. Have them in a tomato gravy maybe, or just fry them. But then let's jump over here. They got very specific to the holidays. Boom, a whole turkey breast. It's already cooked. But what you can do is add some maybe Cajun spices, like my good friend Miss Simple Meals T-Vlog said. Make it a turkey breast Cajun style. And then we also got over here a whole chicken. Now you could serve both of these, Cajun style turkey breast, and then you could do maybe a teriyaki chicken. I can show you how to do teriyaki. It's very simple. Sodium, look at me. Soy sauce. I don't know why I can't talk today. Soy sauce, brown sugar, and garlic, and some ginger. That's it. So you'd use a couple slices of ginger. You'd use a half a cup to a cup of brown sugar. Use at least 2 cups of soy sauce. And use at least 3 or 4, or maybe even 5 cloves of garlic. Let that soak overnight, and you have teriyaki the chicken. That's right. Now, let's take a look at this. This is truly a wonderful holiday spread. Isn't that right, Santa? Ho, ho, ho. Yes, I love this. And we've got enough canned goods that we can have a nice, complete, healthy meal. Even a dessert. What you think about that? So not only did we get something for a wonderful Christmas dinner, we got dessert as well, plus the sides. Amazing, amazing. That's why I keep saying, don't be ashamed to go to the food pantry. And if somebody tries to shame you for going to the food pantry, just remember, they would like to go to the food pantry too. They just don't have the guts. So you're the strong one. All right? Never think you're weak. Okay, like, comment, subscribe. I want you to also, you ready? Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Now, did you see the 12 days of appetizers? Oh, somebody won the big prize. In fact, she won 2 prizes. I'm like, oh, so she won $60 in total. $60 in total. Congratulations to you. I'm so glad. Now, I want you to check out Simple Meals by T-Vlog. Can I talk today? And check out what she's got. Some really cool stuff. Yes, the Christmas special will be coming up this weekend. I cannot wait. I hope everybody loves it. I really do. Now, I got to get busy and cook that meal for you guys tonight. All right? Join me tonight for that meal. Bye-bye.